जो मतलब काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस किए गए हैं, एक मॉडर्न टच देने की कोशिश की है, तो क्या ये फिल्म उस फिल्म के इतिहास को फिर से दोहरा पाएगी?
आई होप सो। आई होप आइडिया तो यही है कि इट ब्रिंग्स बैक डॉन एंड that's what Farhan has tried to do with this movie. He's made a tribute to the film. He's not really wanted to go into an issue of films being compared and saying, oh, I'm going to make a better Dawn. It's not that, and I don't think any of us have acted those characters like that I'm going to do it better than Pran Saab, or Shah Rukh is thinking that, oh, I have to do this better than Mr. Bachchan. So I think the newness जो नयापन है इस फिल्म का is कि जितने भी characters हैं they performed it with their own style. उन्होंने अपनी तरीके से perform किया, like how Arjun would approach Pran Saab's character as an actor, how Shah Rukh would approach Mr. Bachchan, Don's character or Vijay's character in his style. But screenplay जो है, कहानी जो है, dialogues जो है, काफ़ी तक सिमिलर है टू दी ओल्ड डॉन।
अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, किस तरह का कैरेक्टर आपने प्ले?
बहुत ही स्ट्रेट क्लियर एक ट्रैक का इमोशन है उनका, and that is revenge. He wants revenge from somebody who has put him into the situation that he is in.
How was it being associated with the remake?
I think it was wonderful because it's a remake of a film we've all loved, and it's been a cult film from our era. When we were kids, we've all watched Dawn. I still remember the title sequence of Dawn. I remember the dialogues. I remember the songs. And the fashion and everything. So I mean, just to have the guts to go and do it again, I think was very gutsy, and we had to be brave, and we had to go and do it, and it was a vision that Farhan came with. And when he came to us, he told us very clearly, he didn't say that I'm making Dawn. He said that I want to make a tribute to Dawn because it's one of his favorite films as well.
कौन सा गाना है इस मूवी का जो आपका फेवरेट?
मुझे डॉन का जो टाइटल गाना है, मैं हूँ डॉन, वो बहुत पसंद है। उसके बाद आज की रात और ऑफ कोर्स खाई के।
अगर संगीत की बात करें, डॉन तो आने वाले अर्जुन, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि रीमेक इस बार जो म्यूजिक में डाला गया है, जो ओरिजिनलिटी थी कहीं पीछे चल गई है? आपको नहीं लगता हर गाने को, पुराने गाने को एक रीमेक के तौर पे पेश किया गया है?
सिर्फ 2 गाने को, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से जो हेलन जी ने किया था ये मेरा दिल, और जो करीना कर रही है, एंड आई थिंक करीना हैज़ डन अ वंडरफुल जॉब इन दैट सॉन्ग, बट I mean, even that छोटा सा जो रोल था हेलेन जी का, okay, which Kareena is doing. Why would Kareena do it? But it's a tribute to Helen जी, So we can't, वो गाना अगर बदल ही देते तो उसमें मज़ा क्या आती, तो ट्रिब्यूट कैसे बनता? अगर हम कहानी बदल दे डॉन की और डॉन का नाम ही बदल दे और to anything else, Catch Dawn or Who is Dawn or whatever, तो वो रीमेक नहीं बनती ना।
What do you think of the comparisons that would be made? I mean,
Comparisons, though, I'm sure will be made. There will be many comparisons will be made, and people will say that was better, this was better, or whatever. But this has been a very honest and sincere attempt. And finally, after myself watching the film, the thing which I came out feeling, which was a very satisfying feeling, was that yes, if Dawn had to be remade ever, then this is the Dawn this is the Dawn, and I'm glad that I've been a part of it.
and an honest confession, which was better, original or this?
I like both of them. I think both are different. I think that for its time was wonderful and was way ahead of its time. And in terms of technique and style and a lot of, in terms of cinema of today, I think this one is way ahead of its times as well.
आप प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर करने वाले हैं कोई मूवी?
मैं प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्ट करूँ कोई पिक्चर, यार अब तक वो सोचा नहीं मैंने।
Any reviews about ये फिल्म ईद और दिवाली के आसपास रिलीज होगी, तो आपको क्या लगता है इसका कितना फायदा मिलेगा?
देखिए, पीरियड तो अच्छा है रिलीज़ का, और उन्होंने डेफिनेटली एक अच्छी डेट चुनी है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से ये पिक्चर कभी भी रिलीज़ कर दो, उतनी हाइप होती, उतनी ही लोगों में क्यूरियोसिटी होती ये पिक्चर देखने की।
जानेमन और डॉन साथ-साथ रिलीज, आपको लगता है कि दर्शक बढ़ जाएगा?
ये तो गलत हो ही जाता है हमारे इंडस्ट्री में जब 2 बड़ी फिल्में साथ आती हैं, लेकिन इतने लोग हैं हमारे देश में तो होपफुली दोनों पिक्चर देखे और दिवाली और ईद का टाइम भी है तो मेरे ख्याल से एक इंसान 2 पिक्चर भी देख सकता है।
Okay, not as Arjun, but as a viewer, what do you think of Shah Rukh's performance?
I think Shah Rukh really, I was so impressed after watching him in Dawn because the way he has handled his character, and I think he's under immense pressure, and because it's a straight comparison to a legend, the legend Mr. Bachchan himself, you know, and Mr. Bachchan was outstanding in Dawn, and I was so impressed watching Shah Rukh because I think he's really tackled the character extremely well, and what I'm really happy about is he's done it in his own way and in his own style.
आपको कितनी उम्मीद है अब इस फिल्म से?
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। आई एम वेरी सेटिस्फाइड एज एन एक्टर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट। अब उम्मीद तो यही है कि लोगों को भी इतनी पसंद आई एंड आई एम जस्ट एंग्शियस टू सी द रिएक्शन।